If you've ever found yourself struggling with a traditional mop, wishing there was a quicker, more efficient way to clean your floors, this Michao Spin Mop Bucket Deluxe 360-degree spinning floor cleaning system is about to revolutionize your home cleaning routine. Say goodbye to aching backs, messy water splashes, and dirty mop heads. With this powerful cleaning system, you'll experience effortless cleaning with results that speak for themselves. But what makes the Michao Spin Mop Bucket so special? Let's dive into the standout features of this game-changing floor cleaning system and explore why it's quickly becoming a must-have for households everywhere. Why choose the Michao Spin Mop Bucket Deluxe system? When it comes to floor cleaning, the Michao Spin Mop Bucket Deluxe system is in a league of its own. Designed to save you time, effort, and money, this all-in-one mop and bucket system offers several key features that make it stand out in the crowded world of floor cleaning solutions. Key features and benefits. One of the most impressive features of the Michao Spin Mop is its patented spin wringer technology. Unlike traditional mop systems that rely on foot pedals, the Michao system utilizes an innovative mechanism that delivers a 4-guys drier mop head than foot pedal models. The Michao Spin Mop features an adjustable telescoping handle that extends up to 62 inches, making it suitable for people of all heights. No more bending over to mop your floors, which means less strain on your back. Durability is key, and the Michao Spin Mop doesn't disappoint. Unlike other systems that rely on flimsy plastic parts, this mop and bucket set is made from high-quality stainless steel and PP, polypropylene. This gives the entire system superior strength and long-lasting performance. The upgraded materials ensure that the mop handle will hold up under heavy use and that the wringer and basket remain durable, making this an investment that will last for years to come. The Michao Spin Mop features a 4-wheel base on the mop bucket, making it incredibly easy to move around your home. Whether you're rolling it from room to room or need to move it to a different part of the house, this system is designed for maximum convenience. There's also a pull handle and carry handle, adding to the ease of use, especially for people with mobility challenges or anyone who struggles with heavy lifting. With the Michao Spin Mop, you won't have to worry about constantly buying new mop heads. This deluxe cleaning system comes with 6 microfiber replacement mop heads, which is enough to last you for up to 1 to 2 years. The floor brush included in the system is a thoughtful addition, designed for extra dirty floors or tougher messes. It's perfect for tackling stubborn dirt or sticky spills that might need a little extra scrubbing. Whether you have wooden floors, tile, vinyl, or marble, the Michao Spin Mop is safe for all hard surfaces. It cleans effectively without damaging delicate floors, leaving them sparkling clean without streaks or residue. Why you need the Michao Spin Mop system in your home. Now that we've covered the top features, let's talk about how the Michao Spin Mop can transform your cleaning routine. Saves time and energy. With its powerful wringing mechanism and durable microfiber mop heads, you'll finish cleaning faster with fewer passes. The 4x drier mop head ensures that you're not left with wet puddles, allowing your floors to dry quickly after mopping. Cleaner floors. The super absorbent microfiber mop heads lock in dirt and grime with ease. No more dragging dirty water across your floors or struggling with hard-to-reach spots. The 360-degree spin ensures you can clean every corner, edge, and surface without missing a spot. Less back pain. The extendable 62-inch handle means you don't have to bend down to mop. Whether you're cleaning large spaces or working in smaller areas, this ergonomic design reduces strain and prevents back pain. Convenient and easy to store. The compact size and rolling wheels make the system easy to store in closets, and it's simple to roll around your home for use in different rooms. Cost-effective. With the 6 microfiber mop refills, you'll be set for a long time without needing to constantly purchase replacement heads. This makes the Michao Spin Mop a budget-friendly choice for anyone who values durability and performance. Final thoughts. Is the Michao Spin Mop bucket system worth it? In a word, yes. The Michao Spin Mop Bucket Deluxe 360-degree spinning floor cleaning system is a game-changer in home cleaning. With its efficient wringing system, durable materials, and thoughtful design, this mop system is everything you need for effortless, effective floor cleaning. Whether you're tackling daily dirt or deep cleaning, it's a reliable, time-saving solution. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.